Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. So this is the look that I'm going to create inspired from Kareena Kapoor Khan. So let's just get started with the video. First I'm using this serum and I'm just shaking it to activate the serum. Just take a generous amount and apply it all over your face nicely. Then I'm taking this face hydrator, which is by Face Shop, and I'm applying it all evenly all over my face. Then I'm using this illuminating moisturizer from Sugar Cosmetics. This is one of the best highlighting cream, I may say, which gives a very nice dewy look. So I'm applying it all over my face. You can see how beautifully my face is glowing, isn't it? Then I'm using this concealer from Maybelline New York, and I'm in the shade Caramel, which is 40 shade number. I'm using this to color correct my face. I'm not using the color correcting cream. I'm using a concealer which is a shade 1 or 2 lighter to my skin tone. This has a beautiful coverage, so which is why this helps me hide all my dark spots and blemishes all over my face. Just blend it properly with a damp beauty blender as I'm doing it. Then I'm using this BB cream from the brand Mars Cosmetics. This is very similar to the foundation by Nika, and I totally love this. It's like perfect for daily use. Don't forget to cover your neck. Now it's time for brows. I'm starting it by brushing my eyebrows, and then I'm doing the lower line of my eyebrow to give a proper shape, and then the upper one, and then simply just by filling it inside. Then with the help of this pulley, I'm simply going to smudge it properly. Now with the help of this concealer, which is by L'Oreal Paris, and I'm in the shade Amber, I am simply defining my eyebrows as my eyebrows are very scanty, so I have to do the layers and layers of eyebrows. So this helps me to give a very neat and tidy look to my eyebrows. And this, if you may wonder, I am just lining it up to give a very symmetrical look to both my eyebrows. You can try this hack and see how beautifully and defined your eyebrows will look. And this is how, with the help of a flat brush, I'm just blending it. And now with the help of a damn beauty blender, I am blending my concealer. I'm using this beautiful palette by the brand Urban Decay. This is shade Chaser, and I'm just applying it all over my lid like so. Moving into the another shade which is sauced, and I am simply applying it towards the inner corners of my eyes. And now I'm using this beautiful waterproof kajal by the brand K Beauty. My eyes are a little sensitive, so they start watering each time I apply kajal on my lower waterline. Now this is the kajal which smudges very easily, so you simply have to apply just like a liner. It's okay if it is not even, and then with the help of a flat brush you simply have to start smudging it. Now with the help of a pencil brush, I am taking that similar brown shade, and I'm simply going over the liner and doing and smudging it. Following the similar steps on the lower lash of my eyes, and now to define my eyes, I'm doing a liner. Now highlighting all the highlighting points of my face. and then with the help of a beauty blender I am simply going to blend it. Now I'm using this makeup fixer by the brand Maybelline New York, and again blending it. This helps to blend the concealer even more beautifully. Now this is the compact powder by Maybelline again, and simply I am powdering it all the places wherein I have applied the concealer. You can even use the loose powder. And now this is the blush by Sugar Cosmetics. You can use any blush which is your favorite, and now I'm just highlighting it with the highlighter from K Beauty. The shade is Sunrise. And now it's time for the lips. I'm using this lip liner all over my lips, and I'm giving proper outlining. This is the gloss from Huda Beauty, shade Wifey, and this is the Blur India lip gloss. Don't touch my gloss. And now it's time for some mascara. I've done my lashes off camera, and this is how beautiful my eye makeup and full face makeup looks. If you like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Please leave a comment below. Bye bye. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy. Bye bye.